Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to see how to enable the legendary God mode in Windows 10 for all the settings. So if you remember, if you are a long time Windows user, you may remember a trick to enable the God mode. It may sound epic depending upon your expectations, but the easiest way to describe this feature is that it gives access to all the operating system control panels within the single folder. In fact, its real name is the Windows Master Control Panel shortcut. So I repeat it as Windows Master Control Panel shortcut. The God mode was just a joke, right? So as it turns out, you can enable the God mode in the Windows 10 as well. So it may work in either all versions of Windows, such as Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Professional and all of the above versions above Professional. So why do you need the Windows 10 God mode? So the answer is pretty straightforward. This feature is useful for those who are in IT or those who manages the computer, and obviously for those advanced enthusiasts. Most of the home consumers have very little need for these features, and in fact it could lend itself in doing some of the damages to the OS. So in this video, we are going to see the step-by-step process how to enable this master control panel in Windows 10. So you can also assume it as the God mode as a backdoor to the operating system to access all the settings. Of course, just enabling it does nothing. Okay, so what it does, it enables it creates a simple folder in which you can access all the master control panel settings under the one hood. So you can do it so you can even do it by searching into the start menu in Windows 10. But disadvantages of this is that you need to know the exact name of that program or the program you want to open. Suppose if you want to open the power option, you need to know the exact name such as power, so it will display in the start menu the options which are available for this. Okay, so if you want to configure the power options or power plan, so you need to type that exact name, then and then only it can display. Okay, so 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 now I will show you the exact way how to create the God mode folder within Windows 10. So you can see it here. I will show my Windows 10. I will show my Windows configuration. So which operating system I am using. So this is the Windows 10 Home. So it is the latest version, that is 19041, and which has been recently released, that is Windows 20004 version in May or June, I think so. So let's begin the step-by-step process how to create this Windows God mode. So first of all, anywhere on the desktop, right click it, select new, select a folder. So I have already copied that hexadecimal string, so which is required to create a God mode folder. So this is the hexadecimal string. So I will paste the string within the description of this video. So copy this string. So I will delete this folder again. I want to show it from the start. So select new, select folder, and just copy paste that string which you have copied it from the notepad or from the description, and just hit enter. Okay, so it will create an icon which is similar to that of a control panel. Okay, but you cannot see the name which you have typed while copying the string. So one more thing I wanted to tell you. So instead of God mode here, you can write any of the name. Just don't delete this dot notation. So the name God mode can be changed to anything such as hi, hello, whatever you want. Okay. So these are only the two steps. The first step is to create a new folder, and the second step is to copy paste that string. And now your God mode folder has been created. So it shows that sees the list of all program tasks. So when you open this, you can see all the administrative and the management tools which are available within the Windows 10 operating system. So these are pretty much more options which are visible in the normal control panel. So when you open your normal control panel, so I will show side by side comparison. So this is our normal control panel which we use in our day-to-day life, and most of the normal consumer or a user can access this normal control panel for its for change for administrative task and managing of his or her computer. So and this side is the master control panel. So you can see here there are pretty much more options which are available in the normal control panel. So sometimes we call this control panel as the Windows master control panel. So these multiple options are categorized in different name such as administrative tools, then backup and restore, credential managers, date and time, then devices and printers, ease of access centers, file folders option, and there is internet options. So there are pretty much more options to control how you want to access the internet. There are mouse options, connectivity, network connectivity options, power options. So what it does, it digs deeper into the Windows operating systems and finds all the administrative tools and programs under the one folder. So this options works in Windows 10 as well as Windows 10 Home as well as Pro versions, and it also supports different hardware. So however, if you are a serious user, having all these shortcuts in the one spot, it is super convenient, right? So you can access all the different options whenever you want. So it is just a one click away to access all the different options. So you can play around with these different options which are available in the Windows master control panel. Just as a word of precaution, before trying around any other options which are present in this Windows master control panel, please make sure to create a system restore point. So in case anything goes wrong, so you can restore your system back to normal. So just I wanted to say that it's always better to create a system restores in the case of any mishap. So I hope all of you would like this video, and please let me know how would you want to use this God mode or Windows master control panel in your day-to-day life, and comment me below. Thank you guys. I hope all of you would like this video. Please like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting tips and tricks.